Has this ever happened to you? You want to learn one of your favorite songs. Let's say it's Everybody Hurts by 𝐷𝐸𝐻. So you just got your hands on the lead sheet, you're super excited to play it, but then right at the beginning you see those two strange numbers. And you're like, what does that even mean? Well, in this video I'm going to explain exactly what these numbers are, and I'm going to show you 5 easy pop piano patterns you can use to play in this time signature. And if you'd like to have the PDF version of these patterns, you can get it for free down below in the description. Alright, before we dive into those patterns, let's just talk about the meaning of the 6/8 time signature. If a song is in 6/8 time, it means that there are 6 8 notes in each measure. So we have 2 strong beats in a bar, and those are divided into 2 groups of 3 8 notes. And this time signature gives us a very unique feel, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. And it's actually a super popular time signature in all musical styles, and especially rock and pop music. We can think of Gravity by John Mayer, 1,000 Years by Christina Perri, or even the famous We Are the Champion by Queen. To share these patterns, I'll be using a section from the first verse of Everybody Hurts by 𝐷𝐸𝐻. It's super simple, we only have to use 2 chords, and it's gonna be the 1 and the 4 in D major, which is gonna give us D major, so D, F sharp, and A, and G major, G, B, and we're just gonna repeat those 2 chords, and that's gonna give us the first verse of this song. Now, I'm gonna share those 5 patterns in order of difficulty just to make it easier to learn for you. Alright, so the first pattern sounds just like this. Alright, super simple pattern, very beautiful, and it's easy to understand the 6/8 time signature in that pattern because we're playing all the 8 notes on the right hand. So let's take a look at what is happening here. So I'm using my triad chord right here, and this one is in root position, and we're going with D, F sharp, A, going up to D, so we're playing the octaves here, and going down. So it's basically 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, just like this. Very cool pattern that you can use in so many different ideas. Now, when we're moving here to G major, we're gonna use a different chord inversion just so we have some common notes and we keep the voice leading in what we're playing. So instead of moving all the way to the root position, we're actually gonna be playing D, G, B, and D, like this. So we're basically only moving those 2 notes right here, just to keep it with the chord inversion. And we still need to have an octaves, we can keep this 1. All right, so it goes like 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, just like this. Now for the left hand, super easy, we're just gonna hold the root note right here for the whole measure. So we're gonna have 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now moving to G, we need to go to the next root note. You can go either here or higher, it doesn't really matter. Just pick a root note of G here, so G. Alright, so super cool pattern. You're just using 8 notes on every single subdivision of the 6/8, and I'm going to show you how it sounds like with the verse and the vocal from Everybody Hurts by 𝐷𝐸𝐻. When today is long and tonight, the night is yours alone. When you're sorry Alright, now for level number 2, this one goes like this. So this one still has all the 8 notes on the right hand, but we're actually adding a little bit more of a harmony from the chords, so it sounds more full. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna start right here with a triad chord of D major in root position. So we have D, F sharp, and A. So we're gonna start with this, then we're playing D again, F, and then instead of playing the A by himself, we're actually gonna be adding just the D on the bottom to add some harmony in what we're playing. And then we're going back to F sharp and D, just like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this. All right. Now, moving on to G, we're gonna use this chord inversion right here. So same idea. We play the chords and then we're moving with the notes of the chord. It's a simple pattern based on the notes of the chord, basically. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this creates a beautiful 6, by the way. We love 6. 5, 6, and what again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this. All right. For the left hand, we're going to be adding a little bit more movement, but keep it simple still. We're going to have D and A. So basically it's the 1 and the 5 of each chord. So the root and the 5th. Then when we move to G, we play the root and the 5th, again, of G major. All right, so it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this. All right. Beautiful variation of the first level pattern. Now I'm going to show you how it sounds like using the song and the vocal.
When your day is long and tonight the night is yours alone. When you're sure you had enough of this life, when
Just as a reminder, if you'd like to have the PDF version of all these chord progression, you can download it for free in the description below. Alright, now for level 3, we're gonna start having the left hand playing some beautiful arpeggios, and it sounds just like this. Alright, so what's happening here? So we have the first chord right here, as usual, the D triad chord. Then we're playing the arpeggio we had in level 2, which is the 1 and the 5, so D and A, and then F sharp and D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're holding the first chord because this one is a dotted quarter note, and then we're playing the 3 8 notes. Now, while we're doing this, we actually have the left hand playing a beautiful arpeggios here with 1, 5, 1 from the chord, and then we can hold the top note right here. All right, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this. And then we do everything in G major. All right, let's try this with both hands. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically we're playing this together. We hold this one and then we play this one on the right hand. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving to G. So G, we have the chord, and then we'll have 1, 5, 1, which is G, D, and G. And the triad chord right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And back to D. All right. It's a very cool pattern. I love this one because there's a beautiful arpeggios on the left, so it sounds more full when you play it. I'm going to show you how it sounds like with the vocal.
when your day is long and tonight the night is yours alone. When you're sure you had enough
right, moving on to the next pattern, and this one is gonna have some rest in the right hand, and it sounds just like this. Alright, so what's happening here is basically we're not playing the first 8 notes of each bar, creating just a space to play the left hand, the octaves on the bottom here. So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this. Now for the left hand, we're gonna play the octaves here and then just the top note here. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Alright, let's put this together. So we're gonna play left and then the right is gonna start. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how this one sounds like with the vocal.
When today is long and tonight, the night is yours alone. When you're sure you had enough of this life, hang on.
Amazing, we're now at level 5 and this one is gonna have some syncopation to make it a little bit more interesting, and it sounds just like this. Amazing, so let's take a look at what's happening right here. So the right hand and the left hand are kind of complementary when they're playing this pattern. So what we're gonna have is like, we have only the chords on the right. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it almost sounds like what a note in a 4/4, right? Now we're gonna have same thing here for G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the left, we're actually gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now, with both hands, this is where it gets interesting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this. So to help you out to play this one, you can actually have an accent on the 1 and on the 4, just to make it easier to see where the strong beats are. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right, let me show you how this one sounds like with the vocals.
When today is long and tonight, the night is yours alone. When you're sure you had enough of this life, hang on.
Alright, thank you so much for watching, and if you've learned anything valuable from this video, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button below. Alright, bye for now!